Here is how to email multiple invoices at once from QuickBooks Online, step by step. Begin from your QuickBooks Online account and move to the left navigation menu, click Sales, then select Invoices. This opens the invoice list where you can review the invoices currently available in your account. If your list is long, take a moment to look through the entries before making any selections, since the next action will apply to every invoice you choose. Once you are on the Invoices page, look for the checkboxes beside each invoice. Check the boxes next to the invoices you want to email. You can choose just a few invoices or select several at once, depending on what needs to go out. As you make your selections, make sure the invoices you are marking are the correct ones, since only the checked items will be included in the batch action. After the invoices are selected, go to the Batch Actions dropdown. This menu appears above the invoice list and gives you actions that can be applied to the selected invoices together. Click the dropdown to open the available options. If you do not see the option you expect right away, confirm that at least one invoice is selected, because QuickBooks Online only enables batch actions when there are checked items in the list. From the Batch Actions menu, select Send. This tells QuickBooks Online to prepare those selected invoices for email using the customer details already saved in your records. At this point, QuickBooks Online handles the sending process for all the invoices you selected together, rather than requiring you to open and send each invoice one by one. QuickBooks Online will email each selected invoice to the email address saved for that customer. The invoices are sent individually to the correct customer contact based on the information already attached to each invoice or customer profile. If a customer record has an outdated or missing email address, that can affect delivery, so it is worth being aware that the system relies on the saved contact information already in your account. After you choose Send, wait briefly while QuickBooks Online processes the request. Depending on how many invoices you selected, this may take a moment. Stay on the page and watch for the confirmation message. When the confirmation appears, it will let you know that the invoices have been sent successfully. That message is the final sign that the batch email action has completed and that QuickBooks Online has finished sending the selected invoices using the stored customer email addresses. Your selected invoices have now been emailed in a batch from QuickBooks Online.